This is a demonstration of how to use the image editing tools that are available on most of the newer templates, specifically when you're working with top bar images or audio file, podcast images, things like that. So I'm just going to demonstrate how you can use these tools that we have available to make your images larger, smaller, cropping to fit a certain area, etc. Here is the Add an Image button in the top bar image section. So I'm going to click that, and as you can see here in red, it shows me the requirement width and height for fitting into the area for the template that I have specified. That'll come in handy, and we also have it automatically populated with these values once you upload a file, so that the system will automatically take care of some of the resizing for you to make it a little easier. So upload a new file, and I'll just choose this one here. And it comes in, you can see the width and height for this image, 1000 pixels by 417 high. And it needs to be 975. So I have a couple of options. First, I could just manually change this. So I could put in 975, hit tab, and then it automatically adjusts the height. Or if I really wanted to do something a little different, if this were a different template, or if I for some reason didn't want it to fit the whole area, or if I want it to be a lot larger, I could say change the width to be something even higher, 1200 by that, and you see it changes the height value. If I click resize, it'll actually perform the resize there, so you can see what it will do. And then this button here, automatically resize to top bar requirements, will automatically set it to be this width, 975, and then whatever the height is. It possibly might need to be cropped. And then it'll open the crop box so that I can do that. So that's a very useful tool, and I'll click that in just a moment. Clear changes will set it back to what it was before, the 1000 by 417. And then this slider here will effectively decrease the size or increase the size of the image based upon what you might need to do, some just manual visual changes that you want to do to the image. I'm going to go ahead and click the automatically resize the top bar requirements button, because then you'll also get to see what the crop tab will do. So click this, and what it does is it automatically resizes this image. So I know I'm 975 wide right now, and I can actually maximize this view so you see it a little bit better. And then it gives me the crop box that is specifically fit to the exact requirements for this template. So now I just have to drag this up or down to fit the image to exactly what I want, and then I'm done. That's really all that needs to happen. Saving the changes will save this file. So those are the basic steps. You can crop a file, crop an image to fit a certain area, whatever you want that to be. I could manually change these here as well. You see, just dragging it around to make it fit to wherever I want it to be. And then the resize will let you use the slider to either increase or decrease the size of the image. You can manually set the dimensions by selecting the height, let's say, or the width, and putting in 975 or 800 or whatever it is you want the width in pixels to be. Then you hit tab, and it will automatically fill in the other value. And then you can click that resize button, as you see here in the resize area, to actually do the resize. And then there's a slider, or you can click to automatically resize the top bar requirements, which refreshes the image, gets it in the right width, and then gives you the crop box. We recommend doing this certainly on any image that you might upload, and it might save you a lot of time to just do that. Also, I'll note that if you upload an image that's very, very large, we will automatically prompt you to ask if you want to resize it down to something smaller that's much more manageable. That's one common mistake in managing websites, is putting images that are way too large on the site, and then it blows everything very large on the page, because everything fits accordingly. And then if I save the changes here, we'll see that I'll have that image in my library. There it is, and then I'll see it on the website as well. And there it is, fitting nicely. So again, edit top bar images, and that's how I got here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. We're happy to help.